Hi, I'm Abby.
And I'm Kayla.
And we're from Virginia Agriculture in the Classroom. And today we're going to be making corn tortillas. This is a great activity to pair with reading the book The Tortilla Factory by Gary Paulson. To make this, all you need are 3 simple ingredients. We're going to take 2 cups of corn flour and we're going to put it in a big plastic bag.
Okay.
So that's 1 cup. And then 2 cups. So we have 2 cups. And then we're going to add 1 cup of water. Awesome. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Awesome. We're gonna close the bag and we're gonna knead this in the bag. We're gonna wanna make sure that we get that extra air out so the bag doesn't pop. And this is when you can have your students do this in groups and they can take turns kneading this together until it forms a dough. All right, so now we have officially kneaded all of our dough and it's in a lovely ball. So what we're gonna do next is we're actually going to take another large bag and you're gonna give each student 1 bag. And you're gonna cut down the creases so that this will open like a book. Now I'm going to take an ice cream scoop and I'm just going to take 1 scoop. I made sure that my hands were washed before I did this as well. I'm gonna put a scoop into that bag that we just made. We're gonna cover it. And then once our student has it, they can either use a rolling pin, or if you don't have a bunch of rolling pins in your classroom, you can also use a can. Officially made our tortilla. It came out in a shape not exactly perfect, but I think it's gonna taste good. Should we try it?
Sure.
Okay, let's try it. Just grab a piece.
Oh, really good,
It
yeah.
tastes like a tortilla. There we go. So thank you so much for watching our video. And if you would like to learn more about the lesson plans that you can pair with this, you can visit us at virginia.agclassroom.org. And thank you, Kayla, for being here with me today.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.